Spend the day with us vlog. An high five from Apple and Pumpkin. Pumpkin! Pumpkin! Hello, Pumpkin!
She's got brains, this one.
I know. The bank! The bank now! Hello, you big walkies! Oh, get out, you what? Come on, out! Get dried! Go on, walking.
Ooh.
She's wet, she?
She slipped the floor.
I know. She slipped in there as well. Was she a good girl on her own?
Yeah.
We are. A mummy?
Yeah, a lot better.
Yeah, I know. I think we'll have to take her out on her own.
No, only take her in the floor.
That bloody wall, that was terrible what they've blooming done.
Oh.
Front video viewing. Look, what's horrible. Look.
Oh.
Let's look through there.
Oh, yeah.
Well, we've just got a new harness for Pumpkin, what's just come from Amazon today. Apple's trying to open it thinking it's for her. It's a surprise for her. It's not your prize. It's a pumpkin. You keep snarling at her when she comes to smell it. When you can open it, that's pumpkins. Apple, that's pumpkins harness. Because the other one's too small for her. And we have to keep taking it out separately, don't we, walkies? You watching telly again, Pumpkin? Where's that woolly whoopkin? You're a good girl, aren't you, waiting? You're good at waiting, aren't you, when Mummy decides to give you something? Pumpkin, Apple, don't get bits all over. She actually spits the plastic out. She bites it, then spits it out, watch. You actually swallowed it? Well, we're not doing that then. Have you been spitting it out? Have you? Yeah. Yeah. Oh, wet and horrible. Can I have it back, please? Let me open it. It's not a toy, by the way, Apple. Okay, it's not a toy. It's an harness and a lead. It's for Pumpkin. Look. It's pumpkins. You got a new lead as well, ain't you? No, don't bother with that one. That's a lead. You're not having. That's not a toy. But it's not a toy. We're going to have to try it on you now, will we? Try it on and measure you up. Hey. No, it's not a toy. You've got to put it on you. And we're not doing it now because you're not going. We'll do it tomorrow before you go out for a walk. Not going now, it's too dark and wet and horrible. Yeah, all slimy, Apple. Here, let me get it open for you. Look, it's not a toy, it's a lead. Don't you growl at her, it's hers, not yours. Get here. It's a nice lead. We've got that safety thing on. Oh, we don't really need this lead because you've got two already. But it's a nice... Get off you. No. We're not chewing it. Yeah. Got a nice lead. You could play tug of war with it. Let me put it on your collar. You can take your mummy at work. Yeah. Put it on your collar. This is gonna be fun. Oh, we don't normally use collars. Take them away. They've only ever been on harnesses. Yeah, go on then. Take Mummy a walk. Go on. Take Mama a walk. No, you don't like that, do you, Apple? Let me take it off you then. Come here. Come here. Yeah. That were a daft idea, weren't it? That were a silly idea. Where's that other bit gone? Where's your harness? Oh, it's under my blooming arm. God. If I had a mind, I'd lose that and all. Look, nice harness. Yes, I know, but it's not yours, Apple. You've got a nice pink one as well. So where's Pumpkin now? You both can go WALKIES together tomorrow instead of by yourselves. Okay? No, Pumpkin, no. I know you could go waiting, but we don't go where you've already been out today. Okay? Yeah, you've been out, Daddy took you. Let's have a look how them bread cakes are doing. Oh, they're not been. Oh no, they look nice. No, they do look nice. Let's have a look. Give that. They sound hollow. That one doesn't. No. Give them another few minutes to cook. Cutting it a bit. Wow, hot. Steam. Nice. Try to make a McDonald's milkshake. Put a bit of melted ice cream, and then there you go. A McDonald's milkshake. Homemade maccds. Homemade bread cakes as well. They're nice. Mike,
Better than McDonald's.
got enough for you?
Yeah.
I've only had one burger, cheeseburger.
Okay.
So I thought I've just put butter on that one for you. Thank you for watching, friends. Hope you enjoyed this video. Until next time, bye.